Hi guys, welcome back to another lesson of this series, and this is part 6. I hope you have watched all previous part of this series. So guys, this is new. So let's get started. The first word is advantage. It is a noun. An advantage is something that helps you. Being tall is an advantage to a basketball player. Cause is a verb. To cause is to make something happen. The cool weather caused her to get sick. Choice. A choice is the act or possibility of picking something. I had my choice of 5 doors to open. Community. Community is a noun. A community is a group of people who live together. The kids from my community usually play together. Dead. Dead is an adjective. To be dead is to not be alive. A dead person is usually buried in the ground. Distance. It is a noun. The distance between two things is how far it is between them. The distance between the Earth and the Moon is 384,400 kilometers. Escape. Is escape to escape is to run away from something bad. The butterfly could not escape from the cage. Face is a verb. If you face a problem, you deal with it. My sister and I have to find a better way to face our differences. Follow. It is a verb. To follow means to get behind someone and go where they go. The little boy followed his mother home. Fright. It is a noun. Fright is the feeling of being scared. She was filled with fright. Next word is ghost. A ghost is a spirit of a dead person. Many people many people are afraid of ghosts. Individual is a noun. An individual is one person. Only one individual could win the bicycle race. Pet. Pet is a noun. A pet is an animal that lives with people. Out of all my pets, the dog is my favorite. Reach. It is a noun. A pet is an animal that lives with. Sorry, I have reached. Okay. Reached is a verb. To reach means to arrive at a place. I was happy to finally reach my destination. Return. It is a verb. To return is to go back to place. I was happy to return home to my mom after school. Survive. It is a verb. To survive is to stay alive. My dog survived her fall into the water. Upset. It is an adjective. To be upset is to be unhappy about something. She was upset because she broke her toy. Voice. Voice is noun. A voice is the sound a person makes when they talk or sing. He used a microphone so everyone could hear his voice. Next word is weather. It is a noun. The weather is a condition of the air, hot, rainy, windy, etc. The weather can be sunny, rainy, or cold. Wise. Wise it is an adjective. To be wise is to use experience and intelligence to make good choices. Many people believe that owls are very wise animals. Okay, so guys, let's jump into the story. Okay, today's story is very interesting. So let's get started with title. So there is a story. So you can see title. The Friendly Ghost. A nice woman lived by a large river. She loved children. She wanted to help them in any way. She loved her community and everyone in the community loved her. She lived a very long time and became very wise. When she died, she became a ghost. She was dead. But every night she returned to her community. She wanted to help children and not to cause them fright. but she had a scary voice. Children were afraid of her, but the ghost was a good one. She only scared them to help them. One night, some children and a dog were playing by the river. They were having fun with their pet, but they were far from home. Then the weather became bad. It rained and rained. The river was rising. It was very dark. The children knew they were lost. They needed to go north, but they didn't know which direction it was. When the moon came out, they saw a ghost by the river. The ghost said, "Go away." Children felt great fright. They knew it was a ghost. Then a ghost moved closer. She yelled again, "Go away." The children became very upset. Some of them began to cry. The children knew they had a choice. They could escape. Escape. They could escape or they could stay and face this scary individual in the dark. The children ran away. The children ran a long distance away. The ghost followed them all the way. Finally, the children reached home. The ghost was very happy. Soon the river rose higher and higher. It was very dangerous. The ghost had helped the children survive. She had saved them from rising water. She also used her power to lead them home. Sometimes meeting a ghost has advantages. A ghost can save your life. Okay, so guys, I think there's the moral of this story that the ghost is maybe good. Okay, they're also good. Some ghosts are ghosts are good, some not. Okay, so guys, I hope you liked today section as well. And guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, so please subscribe it. If you want to, if you want to watch this kind of video, and this series will be guys continued. Okay, ahead there will be uploaded a lot of videos. Okay, so if you are new on this channel, so subscribe. Make sure you have subscribed this channel. Okay, and if you haven't active bell icon yet, so activate so that you get next video notification in your inbox. Okay, so guys, it was a video, so that's, I hope you liked. So again, I'm asking guys, do you want to me to do reading comprehension and like like exercises? There are two exercises. The second is on check the one that suits the blank naturally, and the first is write a word. Sam was happy to go back to his house. Okay, so guys, write a word that is similar in meaning to the underlined part. Okay, so guys, please, if you want me to do, so I'll do. Okay, but video will be lengthy. Okay, so keep it in your mind. That's what I'm not doing and not making, so video will be lengthy. You guys will be bored. That's what I'm trying, and I'm keeping videos a little bit shorter, so you guys read quickly. So that's why I'm making your habit to read, guys. Reading has a power. If you read a lot, your knowledge will be raised, and knowledge will be increased. So reading is a very powerful. And read whatever book in whatever book you are interested. Just read those kind of books. Okay, don't it is a compulsory you will have to read that book. Not in whatever you are interested. There are a lot of books, guys. You can find out by yourself searching on internet. Okay, so bye guys, take care of yourself. Till then, be happy, keep smiling, and never give up. Hang in there. Bye.